Have you ever wished for your deepest desires to materialize overnight? In this video, I will reveal to you an astonishing technique developed by Neville Goddard, capable of generating surprising results in just one night. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am pleased to share with you a method that has proven to be exceptionally effective for both myself and countless individuals who have put it into practice. This technique, originally taught by the renowned Neville Goddard, has the potential to help you manifest your desires swiftly and effortlessly. I am excited to share this knowledge with you, so let's delve into the fascinating world of manifestation. But before we immerse ourselves in the details, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest and most captivating content. Now, let's embark on this exciting journey. Neville Goddard's method is an extraordinary technique that is based on harnessing the immense power of your subconscious mind to materialize your deepest desires. In essence, this approach is founded on the premise that your thoughts and emotions are the architects of your reality. It suggests that by employing your imagination and focusing on positive sensations, you have the ability to shape the life you desire and deserve. To embark on this transformative method, the first step is to clearly identify what you wish to manifest. It can be any aspect, from material possessions to intangible experiences such as love and happiness. Once you have clearly defined your desire, the next step lies in creating a vivid and detailed mental image of it. This representation should be so clear and vibrant that it completely captivates your mind. For example, if you aspire to a new job, visualize yourself performing your dream role, sitting at your desk, experiencing a sense of fulfillment and joy. By immersing yourself in these details, you will bring the image to life and make it as realistic as possible. After having constructed a mental representation of your desire, it is essential to evoke the emotions associated with its attainment. This is where Neville Goddard's method unleashes its full potential. You must feel as if your desire has already materialized, experiencing profound happiness, excitement, and gratitude. By immersing yourself in these sensations, you will be sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind, indicating that your desire is already a reality and that it should work diligently to make it tangible. Now, let me reveal to you the most captivating aspect of Neville Goddard's method. He believed that it is possible to manifest your desires while you sleep. This is because, during sleep, your subconscious mind is more active and receptive to suggestions. To take advantage of Neville Goddard's method and achieve manifestations upon waking, it is essential to go to bed feeling that your desire has already been fulfilled. As you drift into sleep, visualize yourself enjoying what you desire and experience the associated emotions. Make this mental image clear and detailed, allowing your subconscious mind to begin working on it. The next step is to keep the emotions linked to the realization of your desire alive. I acknowledge that this can be challenging for many, as it may seem difficult to feel happy and grateful for something that has not yet happened. However, it is crucial to remember that the emotions tied to your desire are just as important as the desire itself. By genuinely experiencing these sensations, you will be sending a powerful message to the universe, indicating that you are ready to receive what you long for. Let me illustrate this concept with an example. Suppose you wish to manifest a romantic relationship. Before surrendering to sleep, visualize yourself already immersed in that relationship. Imagine how you and your partner are together, holding hands, enjoying each other's company. Experience the emotions associated with being in love, such as happiness, joy, and fulfillment. As you drift into sleep, keep this mental image alive and continue feeling the emotions related to it. Neville Goddard firmly believed that your subconscious mind would work tirelessly on this representation, transforming it into a tangible reality. It is important to note that Neville Goddard's method is not a one-time application technique, it is a practice that you can incorporate every night to manifest your desires. Keep in mind that the results may not be immediate, but with consistency and dedication, you will begin to perceive significant changes in your life. One of the reasons why Neville Goddard's method is so effective lies in its ability to help you shift your focus from what you lack to appreciating what you already possess. When you concentrate on scarcity, you attract more scarcity into your life. Conversely, when you focus on abundance, you attract more abundance. In addition to employing Neville Goddard's method before sleep, you can also apply it throughout the day. Whenever you think about your desire, visualize yourself already enjoying it and experience the associated emotions. The more you do this, the more you will train your subconscious mind to materialize your desires into reality. In my personal experience, I have used Neville Goddard's method to manifest various situations in my life. One of the most striking examples occurred when I wanted to materialize a new car. For years, I had longed to have a new vehicle, but I didn't have the necessary resources to acquire it. One night, I decided to put Neville Goddard's method into practice. I visualized myself driving the car of my dreams, feeling the wind in my hair and the sun on my face. I was filled with feelings of happiness, excitement, and gratitude as I surrendered to sleep. The next morning, I woke up to an email from a friend. She informed me that she was about to move abroad and needed to sell her car urgently. She offered to sell it to me for a fraction of its real value. I couldn't believe my good fortune and immediately accepted her offer. Now, every day, I drive the car of my dreams, a living testament to the power of Neville Goddard's method. Another notable example of the effectiveness of this technique arose when I recommended it to a friend who had been struggling to find employment for several months. Despite having applied to numerous companies and attended multiple interviews, he had not received any job offers. I suggested that he try Neville Goddard's method and guided him through the process. He identified the desired job and created a mental image of himself performing in that role. He visualized himself sitting at his desk, engaging in stimulating conversations with his colleagues, and experiencing a deep sense of fulfillment in his role. He immersed himself in the emotions associated with having the job and surrendered to sleep with that image firmly rooted in his mind. The next day, he received an unexpected call from a company he had applied to weeks earlier. They expressed their admiration for his resume and invited him for an interview. During the meeting, he felt confident and relaxed, with the certainty that he had already secured the position in his mind. A few days later, he received the long-awaited job offer and accepted it with overflowing enthusiasm. He was amazed at how quickly Neville Goddard's method had worked in his favor and attributed his success to the immense power of his subconscious mind. Since then, he has become a fervent advocate of this technique and has recommended it to many of his friends who also aspire to materialize their deepest desires. Neville Goddard's method stands as an extraordinary tool that can help you manifest your desires swiftly and effortlessly. It is based on the premise that your thoughts and emotions are the architects of your reality, and that you can employ your imagination to shape the life you yearn for. I invite you to put it into practice tonight and witness the astonishing results it can generate. Who knows, perhaps upon waking, you will discover that your desires have transformed into a tangible reality. The power of Neville Goddard's manifestation method lies in its ability to harness the untapped potential of the subconscious mind. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and visualizations with our deepest desires, we open the doorway to a realm of infinite possibilities. This technique invites us to become active participants in the creation of our reality, recognizing that we are not mere spectators but powerful co-creators. One of the most remarkable aspects of this method is its accessibility. It does not require any special skills or resources. All that is needed is a willingness to engage the imagination and cultivate a deep sense of faith. By consistently practicing this technique, we train our subconscious mind to accept our desired reality as truth, paving the way for its manifestation in the physical world. If you have found this content valuable and inspiring, I encourage you to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I invite you to do so right now and turn on notifications to stay informed about our upcoming videos, filled with transformative knowledge and tools. I sincerely appreciate your presence and attention, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next virtual encounter. Until next time.